Hello everyone, I am Chandan Soni. In this video, we will solve question number 3 from exercise 17.1, course book 7, chapter name, position and movement. Question is copy each diagram and reflect the shape in the diagonal mirror line. So let me remind you, I don't have a square line book right now, so I am solving this question on the book itself. Okay. So the main part over here is diagonal mirror line. In the previous questions, the mirror line was either vertical or horizontal. But over here we have diagonal mirror line A, B, C and D. So let's begin. In question number A, if you see, the shape has got 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So the easiest way is 4 vertices. For the first question, they have also given green line. So over here we'll count the number of boxes in the diagonal way. How? For this vertex, there is one box and this line is one diagonal, so I can say one diagonal over here. So reflection will be one diagonal on the opposite side. Okay. Half diagonal over here, so half diagonal on the opposite side. Half diagonal over here, half diagonal on the opposite side. So we have got 3 vertices so far. Now look at this vertex. So how will you count? We'll count the number of diagonals from the mirror line. Okay, we have diagonal mirror line, so we'll count the boxes as per the diagonals. So 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal. So if I continue this line in this way, okay, so 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, the vertex is over here. Now let's count 1 diagonal and 2 diagonal. So we need to mark the vertex over here. Just join it. You can use ruler for this. So our reflected shape is ready. Okay, let's begin with the second part, that is B. Again, you count the number of vertices. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will count the number of diagonals. Okay, so this point is on the mirror line, so the reflection remains as it is. Now look at this point. This is half diagonal from the mirror line, so reflection will be half diagonal on the opposite side. So this is a vertex. Okay, coming to this point, 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal. So just extend this line this way, 1 diagonal and 2 diagonal. If I name the vertices, it will be easy for us. A, B, C, D, E and F. So this is reflection of B, this is reflection of C, D, this point is as it is. Now look at F, half diagonal up, half diagonal down. This is F. What about A? 1 diagonal up, 1 diagonal down. So I have got F over here. Now you can just try joining the points. And we know the width is 1. And the shape is reflected. Okay, try to observe the shape in this way. Can you see the reflection? Left and right, try to match it. Yes, it is matching. You can check in this way. So we are done with question B. Now let's move to question C. So when you copy the diagram on a square line paper, if the square line paper has bigger boxes, that is with unit 2 cm or 3 cm, the reflection part becomes convenient for you. Let's begin. So better you name the vertices. If you do it without that, no problem at all. So A, B, C, D. I am just naming them so that you can understand easily from this video. So this is the mirror line. A is 1 diagonal left, so reflection will be on 1 diagonal right. So A dash, or I can just write A. D is on the line. Okay, C is 1 diagonal left, so reflection will be one diagonal right. Now look at B. From C, it crosses two boxes diagonally from C. Okay, and the reflection of B will be on this line itself. You can extend this way. So what happens? The distance remains same. If you draw the line in this way, you are sure about the distance. So B will be somewhere over here. Now join it. So we join AB. And the reflected shape is ready. You might find it quite tricky. So pause the video, watch it again and try to draw it on your own. Okay. I keep question D for you as an assignment. Please try it on your own. In the next video, we will solve question number 4. That's it for now. Thank you.